In this video, I'll show you how to use the Python docs library to batch generate Word reports from a template. The idea is, I create one nicely formatted template in Microsoft Word with placeholder text, then let Python fill those placeholders with different data over and over to produce a stack of personalized reports. Let's start by looking at the template document. On my screen, we see the document, which is in my directory as template passing grade. Inside the document, I have clear placeholder labels, denoted with double square brackets, wherever I want Python to insert values. We'll be replacing name, score, and course with the actual names, scores, and courses of the students in this example. Now let's move to Jupyter Labs, where I'll use Python to replace those placeholders with real values. To start, I bring in document from the docs library and the OS library. I then create a grades variable that stores the student data. It's a list of dictionaries, and each dictionary contains a name, course, and a score. I now loop through the list of dictionaries. For each person I want to create a new document from my template. I then go through each paragraph of the template, and for each item in the person dictionary, I want the following to happen. If the placeholder value exists in the paragraph, I want to essentially rewrite that paragraph with the value associated with the placeholder. That's accomplished with the replace method of the text attribute of the paragraph object. I finally save the document with a name, which will contain the name of the person I am looping through and the corresponding course. Watch the directory on the left when this executes. See that? 2 new files popped up. Let's open them both. Here we have the first document with the correct information for John Doe. And here is our second document with the correct information for Jane Doe. So that's the core pattern for batch generating Word reports with Python docs. Design a template in Word, mark placeholders clearly, load the template in Python, replace placeholders from a data source, and save each filled version as its own document. Thank you for watching. Please let me know in the comments if this was a helpful video. Do give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe so you know when the next video drops.